Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. On Monday in US markets, we saw substantial gains. Almost all the indices recovered from the lower levels and closed at the highest point of the day, and it was mainly because of specific rally in tech companies, especially in Microsoft. Also, if we go through with other macro things, then in that 10-year bond yield fell to 4.41. The dollar index is around 103.5 and Japan's yen was around 148. So all these factors are certainly going to help equities, and that's the reason we saw good amount of gains for US markets. Asian markets are also trading with mixed activity, but GIFT Nifty is up nearly 60-65 points. For our markets, we saw some range bound activity on Monday. Even though there was weakness and number of large cap companies were down, the Nifty managed to sustain well above the mark of 19,670, which was the lowest of the previous day. So now 19,670 is going to act as major support for the market. Below that we can expect furthermore weakness up to 19,600 or 19,500. But on the higher side, 19,800, 875 going to act as major barrier for the Nifty. Till the Nifty is not crossing 19,875, we are going to see range bound activity in the market, and today if there is any specific higher opening somewhere close to 19,800, then we need to be careful, and we should look for taking some position in stocks instead of taking position on the index. For the Bank Nifty, there also we saw range bound activity. It was within the range of 43,400, which was the lowest level for the Bank Nifty. And today if we see any dismissal of the same, then the chances of hitting 43,000 would turn bright. But on the high side, 43,800, 850 would be resistance for the Bank Nifty, and there we may see the Bank Nifty as number of bank stocks recover towards the end. So there also we are going to keep a close watch. But if we go through with some other stocks and indices, then in that specifically tire stocks close at the lowest point of the day, and today because of some rise in the crude prices, and there is like specific news flow on the cut of the production, then it is certainly going to impact all these tire companies. In that, Balkrishna Industries closed at the lowest point of the day. It was like around 2500 levels from the levels of 2700. It was very close to its 100-day simple moving average, but furthermore weakness may drag the stock up to 2300 or 2250 in the near term. So there we need to be careful. In fact, all the tire companies have shown some negative reversal, and we need to be careful in all these tire companies. Apart from that, Adani Enterprises was also down, and it is like falling gradually, but the supportive part is that it is heading towards its major support zone, which is between 2100 and 2000. So there the stock is having excellent support. But otherwise, if we go through with few gainers, then Indus Tower as well as NCC did well. Indus Tower closed at the highest point of the day, 192. It has pivot level at 193, and above that the next resistance level will be 200 and 205. So Indus Tower is now very close to its breakout level. Also for Nagarjuna Construction, there also the activity was quite strong, and the stock is consistently managing to sustain above the important resistance level. Next level to watch out for would be 177, 183. That's all from my side for the day. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening me. Have a great day to all of you.